Designing once, building everywhere. Why the interface is becoming the new source code. Every technological revolution changes the language of creation. Stone masons gave way to architects. Drafting tables gave way to computer-aided design. Mechanical blueprints evolved into digital twins. Every generation invents a higher level of abstraction that allows people to spend less time translating ideas into reality and more time refining the ideas themselves. Software is approaching a similar turning point. For nearly 70 years, programming languages have served as the bridge between imagination and execution. Regardless of whether the language was COBOL, C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript, developers still carried the responsibility of converting visual concepts into functional software. Designers imagined experiences. Programmers interpreted those experiences. Every translation introduced opportunities for misunderstanding, inconsistency, and error. Artificial intelligence has unquestionably accelerated this process. A prompt can now generate hundreds of lines of code in seconds. Entire applications appear almost instantly. Yet speed alone has not eliminated the oldest problem in software engineering. Translation remains imperfect. The issue is not intelligence. The issue is interpretation. Native UI approaches the problem from an entirely different perspective. Instead of treating design as inspiration for code, it treats design as the definitive specification. The interface itself becomes the source of truth. Every element exists within a deterministic structure that removes ambiguity before code generation ever begins. This subtle distinction has enormous implications. Imagine an architect handing identical blueprints to 5 construction companies. If every building emerged with different room sizes, different window placements, and different structural dimensions, no one would blame the blueprints. They would question the construction process. Software has quietly accepted this inconsistency for decades. Designs frequently evolve during implementation because programmers must make thousands of small decisions while translating visual intent into code. Most decisions are reasonable. Some are subjective. Others are unavoidable compromises. Over time, the finished product slowly drifts away from the original vision. Deterministic design eliminates much of that drift. The future may not belong to those who write the most code. It may belong to those who design systems so precisely that code becomes the inevitable outcome.